What's going on, world? Welcome back to another Money Moves episode. Let's go ahead and dive in to see where the millions and billions of dollars and pounds have been flowing in the world of technology. LG Electronics takes majority stake in Bear Robotics, reportedly valuing startup at $600 million. LG Electronics is betting on robotics as its next big growth driver. The South Korean electronics company said last Friday that it has agreed to acquire an additional 30% stake in Bear Robotics, a California-based startup that is building AI-powered server robots for restaurants. Bear is known for its expertise in AI technology that is capable of controlling multiple robots, specifically the management of fleets remotely, LG said in its statement. The tech giant intends to integrate Bear Robotics with its commercial robot unit, which has developed LG Chloe robots to reinforce its home robot and industrial robot divisions. The tech behemoth says it's working on developing a comprehensive software platform for commercial, industrial, and home robots using Bear's technology. With the robotics industry moving more towards AI-focused solutions, this investment and deal is expected to improve LG's robotics software capabilities. This additional investment underscores our dedication to positioning robots as a pivotal growth engine for the company, reflecting on our belief in their inevitable role in the future, Lee Sam-soo, Chief Strategy Officer at LG Electronics, said in its statement. Jaguar Land Rover invests $2 million in rare earth magnets recycling. Jaguar Land Rover's investment arm, In Motion Ventures, has invested $2 million in rare earth magnets recycling company Cyclic Materials, bringing its Series B funding round to $55 million. Jaguar Land Rover's In Motion Ventures has invested in a range of technologies including supply chain traceability, battery repair, reuse and recycling, and now rare earth magnets recycling. Cyclic Materials says it will use the investment to accelerate the expansion of its operations across North America and Europe, boost its processing capabilities, and refine its recycling technologies. This Series B extension builds on Cyclic Materials' earlier $53 million round that already has the backing of BMW, Microsoft, and Hitachi. Rare earth magnets are a type of permanent magnet made from alloys of Ries, which are part of a set of 17 chemical elements in the periodic table. Rare earth magnets, particularly neodymium magnets, are essential in electric traction motors and EVs. Their strong magnetic fields help deliver high performance and efficiency, which extend an EV's driving range and reduce battery load. Rare earth magnets can also be found in everything from data centers and wind turbines to cell phones and power tools. In our next Money Moves news, AI vehicle inspections expand with $191 million more invested. A company that specializes in AI-powered automated vehicle inspections has announced another $191 million in funding. UVI, which operates out of Teaneck, New Jersey in Israel, said the infusion, which combines equity and debt, brings the total capital raised by the company to $380.5 million, following a $100 million Series D funding round in 2023. The latest financing was led by Woven, the growth fund of Japanese automaker Toyota, with other participants providing $41 million in equity. The $150 million debt facility was structured by Trinity Capital. UVI provides what it describes as an MRI for vehicles, thanks to technology that delivers data-driven insights by scanning visible components in seconds. Thanks to a combination of cameras, advanced AI, and machine learning, the inspections can assess tires, underbody components, exteriors, and more for defects, missing parts, and other issues without risk of human error. The new funding is targeted to drive global expansion and increase manufacturing capacity and strengthen key partnerships. Over the next 12 months, UVI said it plans to deploy hundreds of systems worldwide, which would enable the scanning of millions of vehicles annually. Helion raises $425 million to help build a fusion reactor for Microsoft. Few fusion startups have been as closely watched as Helion. The 12-year-old company is backed by Sam Altman, rumored to be in talks with OpenAI, and has a deal to supply Microsoft with electricity by 2028, years earlier than its competitors. Helion last Tuesday announced a $425 million Series F raise that pushed its valuation to $5.245 billion. The startup also flipped the switch last month on its latest prototype, Polaris, which it anticipates will be the first fusion reactor to generate electricity. Polaris, Helion said, seventh prototype sits inside a 27,000 square foot building in Everett, Washington. It took more than 3 years to build, which is quick by fusion industry standards. But to hit its ambitious 2028 deadline for Microsoft, the startup will have to move even faster on its commercial scale power plant. The new investment will go toward bringing a significant amount of specialized manufacturing in-house. For example, the company had to order a type of short-term energy storage device known as capacitors 3 years in advance. Helion is building something completely different known as a field reverse configuration reactor. The device looks like an hourglass with a bulge in the middle, and it's ringed with powerful magnets which guide and compress the plasma throughout the course of each reaction, which Helion calls a pulse. This new round is smaller than the startup's previous fundraise of $500 million. New investors in the round include Lightspeed Venture Partners, SoftBank Vision Fund 2, and a major university endowment. Rolls-Royce lands a record £9 billion nuclear submarine contract in UK. Rolls-Royce recently announced that it has secured a whopping £9 billion contract to maintain and upgrade the Navy's submarine nuclear reactors. Under the deal, the British engineering firm will also build reactors for the UK's new class of nuclear-powered subs. The Royal Navy submarine fleet is split between Astute-class attack submarines, SSNs, and Vanguard-class ballistic missile submarines, SSBNs. The Astute-class and nuclear-powered but conventionally armed 6 of 7 planned vessels are already operational. The Navy eventually plans to replace the Astutes with SSN AUKUS submarines, the result of a collaboration with the US and Australia. Under the so-called Unity contract, Rolls-Royce will design, manufacture, and support the new sub's pressurized water reactors, PWRs. These machines use uranium to generate heat, turning water into steam that spins a turbine to generate electricity. The steam then cools and the process repeats. The Unity deal is the largest Ministry of Defense deal Rolls-Royce has landed in its 121-year history. Predictably, the UK government is celebrating the new contract as a win for national security and job creation. In our next article, we have Alice and Bob raises $104 million for fault-tolerant quantum computing. Alice and Bob, a French quantum computing company, has secured $104 million in a Series B financing round to support its aims of developing a practical quantum computer by 2030. The funding round was led by future French champions, AXA Venture Partners and BPI France. Future French Champions is a partnership between QIA, the State of Qatar Sovereign Wealth Fund, and BPI France. Alice and Bob hardware uses CAT qubits, a type of superconducting qubit developed by the company's founders and later adopted by Amazon. A recent demonstration by the company suggested its architecture could reduce the hardware requirements for building a useful large-scale quantum computer by up to 200 times compared to competing approaches. CAT qubits inherently suppress bit flip errors, one of the 2 types of errors that plague quantum computers. This property makes them a candidate for enabling more efficient architecture that could lead to fault-tolerant quantum computers for real-world applications. Alice and Bob plan to use the funding to boost system performance, enhance error correction, and develop its first error-corrected logical qubit. Nico, the body-scanning startup co-founded by Spotify's Daniel Ek, snaps up $260 million at a $1.8 billion valuation. Stockholm startup Nico Health has made a big bet on consumers wanting to learn about their state of health and how to prevent things going wrong. Now investors are making a big bet on Nico. The startup has raised a fresh $260 million in funding, a Series B that values Nico at $1.8 billion post-money. Nico will be using the capital to break into new markets like the US, to continue developing its diagnostics, potentially with acquisitions, and to open more clinics in response to demand. With Nico's waitlist now at over 100,000 people, up from 40,000 just a few months ago, the startup says that it has scanned and evaluated 10,000 patients to date in clinics in Stockholm and in its newer market of London. Lightspeed Venture Partners, a new investor in the company, is leading this Series B with General Catalyst, OG Venture Partners, Rosello, Lakestar, and Atomico participating. The Nico Health Experience investment involves a visit to a clinic where for £300, a customer gets an hour-long exam based around proprietary hardware and software. That exam generates millions of health data points, according to Nico. Moles and other marks on your skin are detected and counted as part of a check for skin cancer. Waist circumference, blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, and triglyceride levels, heart rate, grip strength, and other parameters are measured and used to determine whether you are at risk of metabolic syndrome, stroke, heart attack, diabetes, and more. The visit includes a consultation with the doctor and recommendations for follow-ups if needed. In our next Money Moves news, Vidya Health secures a $40 million Series B funding to revolutionize dentistry with AI solutions. Boston-based dental AI innovator Vidya Health has successfully raised $40 million in an oversubscribed Series B funding round, further cementing its position as a leader in artificial intelligence solutions for the dental industry. This milestone funding round, led by Threshold Ventures, with participation from Avner Ventures, BAM Ventures, and existing backers like Spark Capital, Zeta Venture Partners, and Pillar VC, comes at a time when AI-driven healthcare solutions are more critical than ever. With this funding, Vidya Health aims to expand its footprint in new markets, accelerate the development of cutting-edge products, and strengthen its collaborations with dental professionals and organizations worldwide. Vidya Health has been on a mission to improve oral health care for patients while supporting dentists and dental service organizations in delivering consistent, accurate, and efficient care. The company's flagship platform, Vidya AI, leverages advanced AI to revolutionize diagnostic precision and patient education. The platform is trusted by some of the largest DSOs in North America, including Heartland Dental, 42 North Dental, and Dental Corp, making it the AI partner of choice for dental practices of all sizes. One standout feature of Vidya AI is its patient-friendly visualization tools, which replace outdated education methods like flip charts with engaging AI-generated visual aids. The advancements introduced by Vidya Health are reshaping how dental care is delivered. With more than 500 million x-rays analyzed, 40,000 clinicians using its platform, and 15 million daily patient visits, Vidya Health has established itself as a pioneer in dental AI. Its technology goes beyond diagnostics, offering actionable insights that empower dental professionals to deliver care with greater precision and confidence. Up next, we have Q6 secures $25 million in Series B funding to revolutionize in-store audio and retail media. Q6, the intelligent in-store audio platform redefining the retail experience, has announced the successful close of a $25 million Series B funding round led by Helion Sophia. The funding will be used to accelerate the platform's AI-driven capabilities, expand into new retail locations, and enhance its ability to boost in-store sales while unlocking new revenue streams for retailers. With over 100 million shoppers reached monthly at the point of purchase, Q6's cutting-edge platform powers audio and retail media networks for industry giants such as 7-Eleven, McDonald's, and Kohl's Express. The company's proprietary AI-powered tools enable retailers to create dynamic, engaging audio content tailored to local conditions, helping brands connect with customers in meaningful ways. Q6's generative AI model Lucy is a game changer in retail audio advertising. Lucy leverages retailer data to dynamically generate localized audio ads that incorporate details like inventory, local pricing, and even weather conditions. By ensuring ads are relevant and engaging, retailers using Q6 have reported an average sales lift of up to 14%. Lucy also sets a new standard in retail media by automatically adjusting audio volume to ambient noise levels, ensuring clarity and impact, and timestamping ads to validate in-store compliance. Q6's recent partnership with 7-Eleven highlights its rapid growth trajectory. The rollout of GoPro Radio has already been complete across 5,000 stores in the U.S., with plans to expand to 12,000 locations by the end of 2025. FinOut raises $40 million Series C for its cloud cost management service. FinOut recently announced its $40 million Series C funding round that's on top of a $26 million Series B round that the company announced last March. The Tel Aviv and New York-based cloud cost management company counts the likes of SiriusXM, Lyft, the New York Times, Choice Hotels, Wiz, Tenable, and Alchemy among its customers. FinOut focuses on three pillars: analytics, to help companies figure out what they are spending on; predictions, because it remains hard for engineering engineering and finance teams to understand how much they will spend in the future, and democratizing FinOps in general, since it's hard to get engineers to actually care about how much they are spending on cloud resources. Using the new funding, FinOps plans to double its engineering team in Tel Aviv and expand its go-to-market too. The new round was led by Insight Partners with participation from Patango, Team 8, Red Dot Capital, and Mayor Investments. Alright, so that's just some of the latest money moves happening in the world of technology. I hope you enjoyed the video, and to continue to stay informed, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, and then check out these two videos right here and let me know what you think, and stay tuned for the next video.